Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you my setup regarding testing and listing Amazon items. Basically, this is the setup. So what I have here, here's a scale. We have a label printer for Amazon items. I have all of those to make it easier to find my items. So we have a tape and barcode scanners, tape measurements, utility knives, all sorts of labels, tapes, CDs, cassette tapes, and over here we have a speaker that I use to test a lot of items. This is Bose. It has really good outlets, and this is the model if you're interested. Companion 2. So I hook it up and I test all sorts of electronics with it. Also, I have some Panasonic's speakers to test more items. I have some labels here. On eBay we do custom labels, so I have numbers and I put them on my shelves. And this is the TV that I test. I have all sorts of the video cables going out, and also the HDMI cable. And here I have some extra space. I was just testing some items. And here I have the gummed tape dispenser machine, which I use to pack my boxes. And here I have a bunch of boxes, and this is just a small part, as I have more over there. 2 pallets. That's it, guys.